one star flag. Ate Rose is my husband, auntie. Our neighbor in the mountain. Nung sa kana pa? Ate Rose is my husband, auntie. No. She is a sweetheart and little bit Sandra is growing so fast. Na yes. It's kuan. The days and months is time file so fast. So that's why baby is growing up so fast. I get you. Thank you, brother. Oh, my internet is always on. Wow, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. There's a kuan. There's a I receive a kuan from people. Thank you for who you are. Thank you for everything, brother. My internet, brother, my internet is gone. It's because it's 30 now. So it's the end of the day of my internet. Internet is started gone. This is the last day of my internet. If I were to order them, how would you get them home? We bought it only in the hardware, brother, not in the online shop. Only in the hardware only. There's a kuan only in the hardware only, not in the. If I bought it in the hardware, the worker of hardware is one. They deliver it into my house. I'm a chicken. Look at brother. Look at my youngest son and my father. They're fighting with the rooster. Did you ever finish widening on the road up to Ross house ba? It's not done yet. Only in my because you know that one star plug we are neighbor in the mountain. So the road widening is it's near on my house. It's not up to the Ate Rose house. But I think next month it's they continue to widening. Shan! Sarang! Coba palo!